Hello, Pandora lovelies. Welcome to another episode of Dora's Box. Again, it's actually a bag and not a box, but still, it's exciting to open. And this is my sale shopping from the end of year sale. So let's have a look at what goodies I managed to get from the sale. Now, I was relatively restrained. So there's just 1, 2, 3 boxes. It's not too bad, is it? Let's have a look at what we have inside. Okay, so if you are a regular reader from theartofpandora.com, my blog, you will see that I actually already have this charm or this spacer. In fact, I have 2 of these. But it's so beautiful and I use it quite often because it works so well on necklace and bracelet stylings, and it's so gorgeous. It has like this vintage look to it that when I saw it in the sale, I thought I'm gonna get another 2 more so that I can create more designs, maybe 4 instead of the 2 on a bracelet, or being able to use them on bracelets and necklaces at the same time. So this is it used to be actually a China exclusive. It's the Pink Peach Blossom Flower Spacer, and it started off in China and then eventually made its way around the world. And these were from the UK. My first 2 I did get from China. So I got 2 more of these. Put that in there. And then this is the treasure chest, or chest of treasure, from the summer collection. It's so cute, isn't it? Look at that. It has a little sea star and then movable shell here, another sea star. These little bits on the side, they don't actually lift up. They look like they're going to lift up, but they don't. And then it does open. You open it and you can see it's got a little cute message inside. It has a little stamped heart here, and then it says, engraved on the inside, treasure every moment, which is really cute. Try and focus on that there. Treasure every moment. So that's really sweet. And I haven't got anything like this in my collection, so I'm really pleased about this one. So that is the first box. The next box. Okay, so I do love my Pandora Friends charms, and this is an alternate version of the unicorn, Bruno the unicorn. And instead of in his normal position, he's actually a little Bruno the unicorn rocking horse. And I thought this would be really cute to use on like childhood stylings, or sometimes when I'm trying to think of a theme and get different representatives, like maybe this would be good in a Toy Story design as well for the different characters in the toy room. So I really like this. It's just such a cute design, how the hole runs through the center of the horse. It's really cute, and it's a lovely size as well. So sweet. So he's actually been around for a few years, and he's even been in the sale for a couple of years, or at least 2 winter sales. But yeah, I think I just decided not to get him last time, and then this time round I was like, no, I need him. Okay, and this is from Frozen. This is Knock. So from Frozen 2, the Knock horse. And I wasn't sure about this one to start with because it's very large, like the head is very large in relation to other scales. But then I just kind of thought it's quite majestic, and the stones are really beautiful. This wavy pattern, and I don't have any horses other than now I have a rocking horse as well, but I don't have any animal type horses, so I like to vary my animals and get different ones, so I'm pleased to add that to my collection. And then to match the spacers, I ordered 2 of the Peach Blossom flower clips. This is in rows, and it has these gorgeous 3D peach blossoms. There's 3 there, 1 across the opening of the clip, and then little sparkling stones set in between. And it's such a dainty looking clip, and it has a silicone center, so you can see there. So that means it can be positioned anywhere on a bracelet, not just on the threaded sections of the bracelet. So like on the smooth chain, you can use it however you want. So on a bangle as well, it could be positioned across here, it doesn't matter. So silicone clips are great for that. So I have 2 of those, so I'm guessing the other one is in the final box. Yes, there it is. So we have 2 of those and 2 of the spacers. And then this little fella, the Sweet Tree Monster charm. It's so cute. Again, when this first came out, I decided not to get him at that time. I think I'd bought quite a few pieces from the autumn collection he was part of. So when he arrived in the sale, I was like, oh, I'll definitely get him now. And he's just so sweet. Got all this wooden detail, a little heart-shaped face with green stones, another little heart like a belly button there. And then on the back, you can see somebody has drawn a little love heart with an arrow through it and carved that onto the tree, which is a bit naughty because the tree is alive, but there we go. And he has these little leaves that move on his hands. So this would be really nice in forest designs, maybe with some fairies. And finally, we have Mrs. Potts. So we have another Mrs. Potts charm with Chip sitting there. So that is also super cute with the little enamel details. So these are the charms that I bought, but then I have something extra as well. So on the artofpandora.com, we also have a Pandora Sisters book club, and this is a very exciting book club this month because the book that we're going to be reading is called Pandora. How perfect is that? So I actually have a copy right here, which was sent to me from the author. And look at this gorgeous bag. See this? Wow. So this is a tote bag with the same design that is on the book, and I'm excited to read this book. It has some nice parts about jewelry combined with history, so I'm really excited to see this. And it says some doors are kept locked for a reason, so it sounds like it's going to be a bit of a page turner. So the book Pandora is by Susan Stokes Chapman, and she has very kindly gifted some of our followers their own personal copy of this as well, signed copy of this fantastic book. And hopefully you can also download your own copy or purchase your own copy if you prefer to read hard copies, and then we can all read it together and have a good old chat about it. Look, a nice bookmark too. Ooh, excited to read that. I do love reading. I do like to read both digital and hard copies, but it's so nice to have actual paper as well. And we have something else in the bag. Let's see what is also in the bag. Ooh, it's exciting. Don't these little bags make you think of sweets? Wow. Ooh, how shiny. That's really cool. So it's a special Pandora pin. You see it written on the top. Wow. That is really, really cool. So, different type of Pandora box opening today. Not just our normal Pandora, but this awesome book. So please join me and other Pandora sisters read more about how to do so on the blog, and we can discuss our views on the best-selling book Pandora by Susan Stokes Chapman. Thank you for joining me today. Before I go, just show you my wrist so you can see what I am wearing. I've got a little mini design, an open work design featuring some old two-tones with diamonds and my favorite fascinating green, olive green crystal Muranos, and my big knuckle duster ring too. So that's my outfit for today. Thanks for joining me. See you next time. Bye.